Welcome everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So today in this video, I am actually going to show you some very interesting scenario unfolding right now with Bitcoin price action here in the immediate short term and also in the upcoming days. This video definitely is going to be one very interesting video, so please watch it till the end, because in this video guys, I will show you with different scenarios and also in different time frame where the price of Bitcoin might be possibly heading. And now we are going to start this analysis here in a weekly time frame, because if you look at the price structure of Bitcoin using this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, we are aware this middle line, which is the 50% Fibonacci line, this line is definitely going to be one very strong line of resistance, because if you look here from 2007 when the trend started heading here to the upside, with each and every movement you can see the price always found a strong resistance and also support from this 50% Fibonacci line. And you can see when the trend was also trying to break to the upside, this exact 50 line, the 50% Fibonacci line, acted as a resistance, and now we are also testing this 50% Fibonacci line. So if the price does flip this resistance into support, then the next run is going to be a very interesting, because according to this Fibonacci line, the next line, the red line here to the upside, this is 61.80 Fibonacci line, and that is lying around 63,700 price area. So we are aware we could see some sort of a resistance around this price range. So if we do also break this resistance and turn it into support guys, then there is a very likely that the trend here might continue towards the next Fibonacci line, which is the 61.80, and that's lying around 63,700 price range. Because not just only with this scenario, also looking through this another weekly scenario using the Fibonacci line, we can also see very clearly the price of Bitcoin has now broken out of this 0.618 Fibonacci line, and we said if we do break this 0.618 and find support above it, then there is a very likely scenario that this trend is going to continue just like as shown here. Because if this middle line resistance is going to get broken, as you can see, the price could be ready for another movement here towards the next Fibonacci line. And also according to this normal chart here, using this normal Fibonacci lines, you can see the 0.786 is going to be our first target, which is around 57,111 price area. So if we do see any sort of a shakeout again, price coming back to retest this Fibonacci line, any sort of a pullback, this same line now is going to be acting as a strong line of support. So that's why even if we are going to see a pullback and a retest of this 0.618, we are absolutely fine with that. As I've already showed you plenty of time in my videos, the indicators here to the downside, the MACD, bullish MACD cross, RSI clearly in favor of bulls, T3CCI you can see also in a positive territory, and also this true strength indicator had just flashed this bullish crossover. So we are clearly aware the indicators in a weekly is looking very bullish, and I have been saying this since weeks now, and many were also saying me, here, why don't you show the bearish scenario and why are you talking only about the bullish scenario? This here is the reason guys, because the trend here is clearly moving in the upper direction. So we are just going to follow the trend, because trend is your friend guys, don't forget that. And now you know why I was only talking about the bullish scenario for Bitcoin. But as long as the price is going to continue this rally and also the indicators here are going to be in favor of bulls, we are going to stick to this bullish scenario for Bitcoin. And not just only here in a daily time frame, this price scenario from the broadening bottom has not been reached yet. This is still open, which is between 55,000 to 55,500 range. But guys, yesterday we did talk about this one scenario here. This was double bottom, and according to this double bottom, our price target you can see got triggered exactly at 51,800 price range. So congratulations to everyone who are following me on this price movement. And not only this, let me also show you right now another interesting scenario that could be playing out in a 4-hour time frame. And now if we look at this in a 4-hour time frame guys, you can see very clearly this was a very nice descending triangle breakout, Again, after this breakout, the price started consolidating, formed another descending triangle, we had another breakout. And in the current price action, when the price was hovering around this 47,000, 48,000, we were also saying that this could be a possible scenario, just like here from the past Bitcoin price action. You can see breaking out of this upper line area of this descending triangle, we had a really nice movement here to the upside. Similar scenario unfolded after this consolidation. We had a breakout, right? Again, some more consolidation, and we are witnessing a pretty similar scenario. So the question here is, how far is it going to continue? Because according to this scenario, with each and every price movement, I also want to show you one thing. From this breakout till the top, the price of Bitcoin moved almost like around 22%, right? And from this breakout till the top, you can see the price of Bitcoin moved 11.27, or you can say 12%. From here, right now, if you look at the price movement, so how far is it going to continue? Because with each and every breakout, we are also actually losing the strength. We have to take this scenario also into consideration. So nothing goes up permanently, and we are aware of that. So I'm not saying the price has to see a dump, but I'm actually saying you guys, with each and every breakout, the strength here is weakening. So let's be aware, right? If this trend here does manages to come at least towards the CPR line, our price target, which is going to be around 10% move, right? This also could actually make sense. So right now for me, my price target is this CPR line, this green line, which is lying around 52,700 price area. So this here is where we might be getting gravitated here in the immediate short term. But if this is also going to get broken, then with the previous example I showed you, 55,500 is our possible price target. 0.786, which is 57,000, right? This also with the help of this Fibonacci line. And according to this logarithmic curve, if we break the middle line, right, then we should be heading towards the next target area, the red line that is lying around 63,700 price range, that is the 61.80 Fibonacci line. So these scenarios, as you can see, are all in favor of bulls. Even if we do see a pullback, guys, we are aware around this price range, right, around this 50,000, 50,500, we do have some strong line of support lying around for Bitcoin. So even if we are going to see a pullback, this could be a retest of this previous temporary raise line, and price could still continue this rally here to the upper direction. And also let me make you aware, if you are unaware of my Twitter account, it's Crypto Anup. Feel free to follow me there. And not just only this, if you also want to follow me on Instagram, then this is my only official Instagram account, Anup Tungana, guys. There are many scammers using the similar names, so for confirmation, always come back to the video description and have a double check. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.